Joseph in Kingsbury. Good evening.
Oh, good evening, Daniel. Thank you for taking my call. I wanted to ask you a question about home CCTV cameras. I've seen your video on YouTube, but if you have if you have a camera in your car and you are using it to surveil your neighbours, how legal is that, and what rights do people have under the law?
Are you the one with the camera in your car, or are you the one being surveilled?
No, I don't have a car.
Okay. What type of camera is it? Dash cam, or a car with a camera specifically angled at someone's home?
It's a dash cam.
And how do you know that it's? I mean, is the dash cam on when the car engine is off?
Yes, the person who owns the car has said that they've got a dash cam and that they're taking footage.
Okay. Have they explained the reason?
Shall we say a dispute with neighbours in the street?
Is that a dispute with you?
No, not with me.
Okay. Tell me about the dispute.
I'm phoning up on behalf of a friend. So,
understood. Tell me about the dispute.
Essentially, one person is very unreasonable, and so she, the person keeps it up. It's very unpopular amongst the other.
Okay, but what's she done? Give me one example. Give me the worst thing she's done.
It's just being really unreasonable and just not getting on. And if you actually speak to the person in question and say, could you please try and get on with everybody? She's always got a reason why she won't.
Right. And what's the dash cam going to show? Because the dash cam's only going to record video, not audio.
That's true.
So what's the point of it?
I honestly don't know, but like I said, I'd asked the question because my friend asked me if there are, what regulations could be breached if the dash cam is being pointed at somebody's house.
Is your friend the unreasonable neighbour?
No, my friend's the very reasonable neighbour.
Okay. Is it a public road or private land, Joseph?
It's a public road.
Okay.
It's a side road. It's a side
road. It's owned by the local authority. It's not a private road.
It's owned by the local authority.
Okay. And what outcome does this person want? This person wants to be told they can continue doing it, presumably.
So my friend wants to know that if it's illegal in any way, in what sense it's illegal, and what can my friend do about it in the event that the neighbour's going to carry on just doing it.
Okay. You're being coy. I'm not saying that as a criticism, but I'm desperate to know, and I'm getting a lot of text saying, what is this neighbour doing?
Well, the neighbours managed to persuade the council to build a very big disabled bay, and it's caused a problem with parking on the street, right. and that's where the big issues come, and everyone is trying to get along, but
yeah.
That she doesn't really want to know.
All right. So here's the answer. It is unlawful to record this on dash cam where it's for the purpose of surveilling a neighbour. Video of anybody's property and anyone on it is personal data under the GDPR. There is an exception called the domestic exception, which normally lets people use cameras on their own front door without legal consequences. But once the lens activates or goes beyond their own boundary, that's not falling within that exception. So the person who's parked on a road filming their neighbour, that person will count as a data controller. They need a lawful basis for recording video of a neighbour. They almost certainly haven't got one because it's not to prevent crime. That's what I was getting at when I was trying to find out what the arguments are about. So I'm pretty confident they're acting unlawfully, I'm afraid, Joseph. And if the unreasonable neighbour complains to the Information Commissioner's office, which it's free to do, then...
You mean the reasonable neighbour? Yeah.
Sorry,
if a reasonable neighbour complains to the ICO, then the unreasonable neighbour's in trouble.
Yes, I'm sorry. I thought it was the reasonable neighbour filming the unreasonable one. I got it the wrong way around.
Yeah,
but either way, they're in trouble. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, that's great. Thanks, Daniel.
Thanks, Joseph. Thank you very much.